Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Yousaf. Welcome to the new video series about Postman. In these videos, we will learn about Postman from scratch to an advanced level. We will cover almost all the topic related to the Postman in the upcoming videos. Okay, so what we are going to learn in today's video? In this video, we will discuss what is Postman, how we can create account on Postman for signing up and sign in on Postman. Okay, and we will discuss the core features of Postman in the later part of the video. We have the two methods of using Postman. The first one is browser based. You can use the Postman directly from your browser. And the second way is you can download the Postman and install it on your computer. We will see the both methods, how we can use Postman in browser and how we can use installed version of Postman. Okay, so let's discuss what is Postman. Postman is a platform for APIs where you can manage your API's lifecycle and request response behavior. The Postman helps to develop testing and management of APIs. Okay. Now we will create account on Postman. Okay. I will just type Postman. Here you can see the link of official website of Postman. Okay, if I click on this link, this will take me the official website of Postman. Here you can see sign up for free button. I will click on this button. Here I will put my information like email, and username as well. And here I will type my password. And hit the create free account button. Okay. Here I will type my name like okay, and here I will choose let's choose DevOps engineer. Okay, and hit the continue button. So now we are going to use our account as individual and we have no team to share with our Postman credentials. So I will click on continue with without team. Okay. So you can see our account has been created successfully. So in the earlier part of the video, we have discussed, we have a two way to use Postman. The first one is a browser based and the second one is an installed version. You can download the Postman exe from the website of Postman, install it on your computer. Now I will type download Postman. So here is the link of download Postman. If I click on this link, it will take me here. You can see to download the app to get started with the Postman API platform. Okay, I will click on this button for downloading the Postman app. So I have already installed version of Postman on my computer. Let's open the Postman. So you can see the installed version of Postman on my computer. Okay. This is my installed version of Postman on my computer, and this is the browser based version of Postman. Okay. There is no major difference in UI of Postman between installed version of Postman and browser based version of Postman. Okay. So this is the main user interface of Postman. Here you can see the multiple options which we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Okay. Here we have workspaces. How we can create workspace in Postman, we will see in upcoming videos. And how we can create collection in Postman, collection of APIs, and how we can import and export the collections. Okay. And we will check our APIs request and response behavior in Postman. Okay. And we will check how we can call our APIs multiple times in Postman. Okay. We will cover all the topics related to Postman, including automations. Okay. So these are the topics we will discuss in the upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.